Chapter 4. Rules on using credit cards. 1. Know the rules of the game. The world of finance is difficult to navigate, and there are hidden dangers disguised as benefits on every corner. While you are not expected to know everything about the jargon-filled world of money and personal finance, you are expected to at least know what you are getting into, because after all, you will be signing a binding contract with the bank when you apply for a credit card. Know what you can get from the bank. Know the rules. Know how and when to use them. Know the key terms and jargon. Know what the bank expects of you. Know your responsibilities. And please, for your sake, know how to financially protect yourself, both from the slick doublespeak of banks and from yourself. 2. Be responsible and wise. Be responsible when wielding your credit card. Much like a double-edged sword, when used wisely it is a great tool, but be reckless with it, and it will do you damage. The temptation of convenience comes with inherent real risks that you need to understand and minimize. That is why it would serve you well to make yourself more financially literate. Always try to have good judgment with all your purchases, and only spend what you can afford. You will be financially wiser for it. Live below your means and do not max out your credit cards on overpriced items you can't really afford or don't even really need. Remember, there's nothing luxurious about falling into debt just for the bragging rights of owning a luxury branded item. 3. Repay in full. You need to control how much interest you pay on your purchases. The only way to do this is to make consistent credit card payments that make a dent on the principal and not just the compounded interest. Whenever possible, always repay your credit card bill in full before you are charged more interest. If this is not possible, at least make sure that your credit usage ratio is low to maintain your credit worthiness. The goal is to keep your credit card debt low enough to be easily manageable. Credit cards, when handled thoughtfully, can be empowering financial instruments, adhering to principles of responsible spending and diligent balance. Repayment ensures good financial health. Thank you for watching The Rules of Money. Remember to put these rules into action consistently to improve your financial situation. If you found this useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more practical financial guides you can use in real life. Good luck, and see you on the next one.